You were on Shark Tank, raw ideas, energy,
Yeah.
any quality which you looked at before investing and any pitch which stayed with you?
Oh, lots of pitches. But I think in terms of qualities, it's a twin combination of hunger and humility. You need to have hunger, yeah. You need to have hunger to build, to persist, to stand up. You just need to have hunger. But you also need to have humility to realize, okay, boss, I need feedback. I can go wrong here. And I think if you can manage this balance between hunger and humility, then I'm interested. And obviously, the business has to stack up and you have to be, but like I said this on the pitch, Two Hands, which is the smart calculator company, Varun Dua and I were discussing, yaar wo banda na solid hai. He spent 6 years working in detail with kirana walas. He understands consumer problems. If he doesn't succeed at this, he'll pivot and succeed at something else. Banda hi madam hai. So he has hunger and he has humility. तो वो कुछ ना कुछ बना लेगा.
What was it like and what should a CXO be looking at or an entrepreneur be looking at if they're looking to raise money?
Building value and being able to demonstrate that value. Very simple. Building value, but also being able to demonstrate.
Demonstrate the value
And
creation.
Show the value, tell the story. So it's a nice thing I heard from Rashesh. Is raising money and getting a partner on board is a combination of English and mathematics. Mathematics is the value you've built. It's the numbers that you've delivered. But mathematics without English doesn't sell. And English without mathematics is hollow. So it has to be English and maths together. Building value and being able to communicate the value, the vision, the passion. I think that is all it is. And I think capital, because after this transaction, a lot of people have come to me with, especially in this industry, kaise kare, kya kare. And I think it's about the right partner at the right time. So a lot of people are in a rush to raise funding or to get partners too quickly in their journey. I think you have to mature as a business if you don't need capital, we didn't need capital as a secondary sale. You should get a partner at the right time and you should get a partner for the right reasons and you should get a partner where the interests align because this is a marriage, right? And the marriage has to work.
Any practical 1 or 2 tip which...
I think build from day one as if you are going to be listed. A lot of people, clean set of governance practices, a clean set of books, due diligence, that is commercial and financial diligence, should be clean as a toothpick coming out of a well-baked cake. That I think is if you start with that mindset on day one, that I am going to build an independent, totally clean, audited, etc. company, it's very easy. If you start correcting it at the time you're raising capital, it's hell. So I think build as if you are going to list on day one, and that's a mindset. And it'll translate into everything you're doing. Have the metrics. So well before we raised capital, we put out dashboards, we had MIS, we were measuring. Measure yourself on the parameters that others will measure you on well before you get measured. Exam नहीं दे रहे हो, लेकिन घर पे तो exam करो.
Exam की तरह पढ़ाई करो.
Exam की तरह पढ़ाई करो और check भी करते रहो. कि अगर मुझे आज past paper करना होता है, in India we love this past paper thing. करते रहो. Real paper के लिए.
Middle class, what do the biggest mistake they do with money and what can they do to avoid it?
So firstly, I come from middle class roots as all of us do, and I have a lot of respect for the core of middle class. Okay, I think the value system of middle class India is amazing. Sasta Sundar Tikau, value for money, I think these were middle class values. Hard work, progress, these are middle class values. And I hope no matter how much wealth I have, the values remain very corely middle class. I think one thing that can happen, to the quote you mentioned earlier now, is in the era of social media, this desire to spend not because it gives me happiness, but because I want to compare to the next guy on Instagram, इज थोड़ा सा अनहेल्थी. पहले कम होता था और मुझे लगता है सोशल मीडिया के कारण काफ़ी
ज़्यादा हो गया.
होता है. एंड आई ऑल्सो feel that there's a kind of cynicism that sets in and a blame game that sets in, you know. So a certain amount of optimism and a certain amount of playing your own game, because middle class has always been burdened by comparison. Sharma ji ka beta, log kya kahenge? And I think getting out of this whole log kya kahenge is a very important thing for money. क्या क्या फर्क पड़ता है लोग क्या कहेंगे?
What is the one mistake people are making with SIPs?
I'm going to give you two short ones. One is people stop SIPs in a crisis, which is a really bad idea.
Yeah, the worst time to be shutting off an SIP.
The other one, which is less spoken about, they don't top up SIPs with their rising income. So I have a simple tip. Whenever your increments happen at the end of every year, sit with your advisor and review your SIPs. And then money just piles in your bank account. So reset your SIPs at the end with your increments if your salary.
So we have to automatically increase our SIPs जैसे जैसे हमारी income बढ़े.
Correct.
Market crashes, COVID, Ukraine war, now Trump tariffs. How should investors behave when these things happen?
Switch off the news.
पैसा जाता है तो बहुत दुख होता है.
तो वो जाता नहीं है ना, मार्क टू मार्केट होता है पैसे का. See, if you watch the news every day, आपका NAV दिन में आपका NAV प्रैक्टिकली एक बार कटता है. वी इशू एन NAV ऑनसर्ड है, लेकिन आपको लगेगा दिमाग में कि 10 बार कटा है. एंड दैट आई थिंक इज वेरी वेरी पेनफुल. सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू रिड्यूस, एंड आई नो योर फाइनेंशियल एडवाइजर, reduce the frequency at which you review your portfolio. It drives me crazy that people review their portfolios every day. Look at it once a quarter.
सबके पास ऐप है, they just want to see
बंद कर दो.
everything.
I don't look at mine. I don't know my portfolio or my net worth every day. I know it once a quarter at best.
I do it once in 6 months for
There you go.
myself.
And I don't make changes for once a year. Because what? I always tell people this. If you run a business और आप कलकत्ते से हो, बहुत बिजनेस है आपके बिजनेस में, मोहित 3 महीने कुछ थोड़ा डाउनटर्न आ गया, आप उसे बंद कर दोगे क्या? कभी नहीं बंद करोगे, 2 साल नहीं बंद करोगे, मैं बता रही हूँ. तो फिर पोर्टफोलियो क्या है? पोर्टफोलियो इज ऑल्सो कलेक्शन ऑफ बिजनेसेस ना.
Someone just started earning.
Yeah.
What's the blueprint? क्या game plan होना चाहिए investing के लिए?
4-step blueprint, which is here also. Set a post-tax savings target.
Post-tax savings target.
Start with 10% if you're in your 20s. The book has a framework here.
10% of money saved.
And automate that. So
Automate
I call it savings deducted at source. So SIP कर लो, recurring FD
TDS
कर
की
लो.
जगह savings deducted at
SDS.
Tax की जगह savings deducted at
Savings deducted. So that's mantra 1. Mantra 2, control your debt.
Control
Right.
your debt.
Because that eats away.
And you mentioned about bad debt and good debt.
Good debt, bad debt, control your debt. 3, get insurance because that also eats away in a crisis.
Cover yourself.
And 4th, build a thali. Equity, debt, gold is enough to build a thali.
Fantastic.
Finish. 4-step savings mantra.
Any small money habit which has changed your life?
Any small money habit? I think doing annual budgeting. Me and my husband do it. It's actually, we look at all our expenses for the previous year, different buckets. We look at our income, we look at our cash flow, we reset our SIPs, and we religiously do this in June of every year because our payouts and increments are in. Just a nice husband-wife exercise that everyone should.
Finally, any 3 smart hacks which our young listeners should do to live smarter, invest better, and stay grounded?
Nice. Focus on their primary career, because investment, whether you're trading, investing, etc., is not your biggest asset. Your time and talent is. When you are young in your 20s, your primary asset is your time. So maximize the return.
So no future option.
No future options, no sitting and running family offices. Investment is passive income. Active pursuit should be your career because that's your biggest asset.
So you're saying no family office, no
वो आप
FNO?
लोगों को करने दो ना, वो आप लोगों का प्राइमरी काम है ना.
एकदम.
So I think that is the number one. Second, stop living a life that's about social media. Start living a life. Stop living a life that's about front stage and live the life that is backstage. That is your life, so that you don't have all these comparisons.